stickers. I'll probably get mine anyway. But
Yeah.
okay. So these are method rays.
Hold it for
Yeah.
so it can roll away.
With the bead grip. Titanium gloss. Bead grip. And this is the offset 35, 17 by 8.5 and the hub for LC300. So this is the original sensor. We're removing it, OEM valve stem, removing the TPMS sensor. There you are. And then show me the exceed. This is the exceed
With deflator included.
deflator included.
We'll show in the field how it works.
Oh my god. Okay. We'll probably go deaf by the time it's done. Okay.
What am I doing?
The other way. The other way. Yeah, okay.
The valve, there's another nut here.
Yeah.
There's this to mount the sensor.
Yeah.
And the thing is, if you put it like this or like this, the sensor will be in the wrong place.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, if I put it like this, the sensor will be right in the middle of the wheel. It's gonna,
Oh.
so it has,
Yeah. It has to
fit.
land here, yeah.
It has to fit like this,
Yeah.
so that the sensor then comes here, right?
Okay.
But now this, you will not be able, you have the nut, so
Yeah.
it's going to be tight, but
Yeah.
it's not sitting flat
Okay.
on the other, but it's okay, it's not a big deal. It's just need to tighten this like so, and the sensors are well done because there's some plastic that prevents it from being against the rim.
Okay.
It's there's like two legs here that keep it a little bit away from the rim, just but while giving space.
So you've taken the OEM sensors and placed them on
On the new valves.
the new valve, high capacity valves, or
Yeah, I mean with deflators.
with
included in the
deflators
valves,
included,
yeah.
right? And these are method rays with bead grip, and this is, guys, the bead grip. So yeah. Okay. Done.
Sideways. No, it's going sideways as I tighten, which is not good. And the last,
This is the piece for.
the original bolt.
Okay. So it fits right in.
Yeah,
Okay, perfect.
that's it.
Yep.
This one's done. So this is rear